Guys, welcome to the channel, Scottish Adventurer here. Today we're going to be doing the cat delete on the KTM 890 Adventure R. At the end of the video I'll do a sound comparison so you can see the stock and then obviously with the cat deleted, the sound comparison on it. I know there will be some power gains from it as well, but we'll measure that when I take it out in the ground, and I'll show you that later on in the video as well. So yeah, let's get after it. So, tools required for this particular job, guys. I prefer to use a gun once I've got everything loosened off, but you're going to need a Torx bit 50, Torx bit 45. You're going to need a socket set with a 10mm and an 8mm socket size, and then you're going to need a 19mm. Once we get round our side of the bike, I'll show you that. But that's the kit you need. And obviously you need your link pipe and then the add-ons for that as well. Okay. So guys, with the skid plate now removed, we're down the left hand side of the bike. We're going to want to loosen the main swing arm one off, just loosen it. That's a T50, or you can get a 19mm in there. I'm using a 19mm socket. And then we want to go down to the bottom. We've got two Torx 45s. Get these completely out, and that's going to give us the swing that we need. Also, we're going to need to take this one off as well, which is the T30 bit. We're going to need to take that completely off so we get the movement. That's going to give us the access to the bolts at the back that's holding the current cat in, and then we're obviously going to have to take out this 10mm here, which is holding it on. Okay, so we'll go that far now, remove all those, and see where we're at. Okay. So guys, this is ultimately the position you want to be in here on the left hand side of the bike. We've had to remove the side stand to get access to this lower bolt here, which is holding the stock cat in place, and also we want to remove this one. By removing the foot peg, it just gives you this flexibility to get this out of the way to get access to this. So this one off, top one off, and that's us good to go. We'll move on to the right hand side of the bike now. So guys, on the right hand side of the bike now, next off is stock silencer, held on by here, and then obviously we've got the link pipe to the cat, which will also need to come off. Once you get them off, we'll move on to the next stage. So silencer off, link pipe. Next step then, last one holding on the box is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's away up inside in there. That one needs to come out. Yep, fingers on it. So that's the last one holding the cat on, and obviously the link pipe holding it onto the main pipe, that needs to come off next. So two more. So there we go guys, the old cat's now been taken out, the new one's ready to go on. I can tell you right now there's a significant weight loss with that old cat. That must weigh about 5 kilograms compared to maybe 1, so I'd say you're losing about 4 kilograms off the bike right away. So yeah, let's get the new one put on. So guys, for the new link pipe, basically it's going to go in this kind of orientation here. Yep, pretty straightforward. So new link pipe then, it'll come with the internal clip. Make sure you get the clip on in the right orientation, and then it'll come with its own lubricating grease, which is metal friendly, and it's specifically for this link to the manifold pipe, so make sure you get that on there as well. Okay, but that's it, pretty much ready to go on. So with the link pipe now added in, what I would say at this point, don't go tightening anything right up, just get everything linked up. Get your silencer back on, again leave that kind of loose, and then go down the left hand side of the bike and get all that reconnected as well. But so far, yep, pretty simple process. Right guys, there we have it, link pipe installed. I was fumbling about there at the end. Just remember on the old cat, take the gasket off, because you will need to replace the gasket on this as well. And yeah, everything linked up pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And then on the left hand side of the bike, just remember when you're putting everything back together, you're going to be left with a couple of spare bolts, because the link pipe, the old link pipe, you had one in there and one in here, which is no longer required. It's just held on with this one, which is underneath, and that's it. So now we'll get on to doing the sound comparison, and I'll let you hear it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. That's us at the end of the video. We've done the cat delete on the 890. I hope you found it informative. Sorry my video skills are not quite up to scratch yet. Next up we're going to be doing the DB killer removal on the stock exhaust, and then we'll be taking this off road, and then we'll be going through all the rally modes and all the functions, and we'll be testing this thing out. I'll also be doing the tyre review as well. So yeah, if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel please, and follow us. Thank you.